Today we are torture testing the iPhone 4S. Now, I know it's not a new product, but you all want to know how it can handle the heat. So actually, we're going to start with the cold. 2 hours in the freezer. Here we go. It's even white like snow. Good luck, little buddy. It has been 2 hours. Let's rescue our iPhone 4S from the freezer and see how it's doing. Okay. We're learning to expect condensation and ice crystals at this point, and we have them. Oh yeah, that's ice. It's not coming off. The moment of truth. Oh, no problem. Look at that. Except that I can't. Oh, I almost couldn't swipe to unlock because it was so crusted over with ice. Whoops. Oh, geez. What's it doing? This is new. Oh, the battery died. Okay, I did not see that coming. Now this went in there more than about 2/3 of the way charged, so that's kind of interesting that the battery seemed to have suffered. We will charge it up for a little while, let it thaw, see how it's doing. I mean, it came on. I'm assuming it's okay, but that's kind of new, the battery thing. So let's see if it'll come back on. Waiting. See, look at that. Interesting. So the battery is back to half full. So that was just kind of a weird, like, misread because of the cold. So we got a little hiccup, but all in all, it still seems to have made it. All right. In you go, little guy. All right, our iPhone has been in the terrarium of death for a little over an hour at a perfect 150 degrees, because we have this thing down to a science. Let's get the iPhone out. Oh, it is so hot in there. Just slightly too hot to touch. All right, this has cooled off nicely. I, meanwhile, am totally sweating standing close to our terrarium because it is hot in here. Let's see how the phone is doing. Not a problem. I'm starting to think that we are actually nowhere near the top operating temperatures for these devices. This phone acts like it just had a day at the beach. Day 2, time for the drop. We'll do 3 heights and then an extreme drop. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ooh, we actually have damage. You can see that purple line right there. Interesting. Okay, well, let's keep going. 3, 2, 1. Our screen has gone to the blue screen of death at this point. Man, this phone does not like to be dropped. Now it turned off. Oh, it's restarting. I gotta say, I've dropped my iPhone a million times and nothing like this has ever happened. It's back on, but you can see we still have that purple line. This is pretty surprising, actually. All right, well, let's drop it from shoulder height. See what more damage we can do. 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're back to blue screen of death. Maybe it's because the battery was almost dead? I don't know. I gotta say, though, it's not broken, so we're still gonna conduct our extreme test. Now, we happened across CBS Interactive President Jim Lanzone, who
what are the odds?
Was never going to say no to the opportunity to throw the iPhone 4S down the stairs himself.
And oh no!
Oh! Look at you nail your spot.
Oh! All right, ready? Roll right down.
It's restarting over and over.
It restarted itself.
Yeah. But I don't even see any chips.
Okay, well, we gotta give him credit.
It's pretty dirty.
Guaranteed if that was my actual
Oh, there's a
phone, it
chip.
would be totally broken.
There we go. We did some damage to it.
It chipped.
We have a little chip.
Is that gonna ding him a star?
Oh, look. We got a nice little dent right there, too.
How many stars off is that?
I think this is, well, and then this happened. See this purple line right here?
Okay.
It's a pass-fail grade. What do you think?
So that's their fail whale?
think this is a little bit of a baby fail.
Huh? All right.
Yeah.
It's pretty good though, in general.
We took a couple chunks out of it, but
All right, let's do it.
it's holding strong.
Can we run it over? Or?
Let's see.
All right.
Now you're thinking
Let's do
torture
something.
test.
Good.
All right, time for the dunk test. Here we go. We have bubbles. Let it sit there for a second. It's just marinating. It's been about 30 seconds. Okay, that's all I can take. Screen's still on. I'm gonna take it out here. Well, let's just turn off the screen. Drying it out a little bit. It's actually responding to the water pretty well. It didn't seem to have any problem. Even the screen stayed on. All right, now that our iPhone has survived the water test, it's time for the wild card. We asked and you answered. Several of you told me on Twitter that you have put your iPhone through the wash cycle by leaving it in the pocket of your pants. So that's what we're gonna do today. We got some laundry here. We got some jeans. I'll turn the screen off, but the phone will stay powered on. Let's put it in, let's say, the back pocket. See, it's white on white. You would never see that. Detergent and everything. This is brutal. Alrighty, and all bundled up with some kid clothes. Alrighty. There we go. Oh dear God. Oh, I heard it. Our wash cycle is finished. Let's imagine that we just realized our iPhone 4S was still in our pocket and fish it out. Oh, there it is. Oh, what an unfortunate discovery. Now, I know you're not supposed to do this, but I think what everyone would do in this situation is try to turn it on. Which obviously is not happening. Okay, it's not coming on. We are gonna put it in the dry bag just in case. I cannot imagine a scenario in which this iPhone survives going through the washing machine, but I guess you never know. We will open this up in a day or two and find out. We're gonna need some new gel packs pretty soon. All right. Good luck, little iPhone. Okay, now personally, I'm gonna have a heart attack if this iPhone somehow survives going through the washing machine, but you never know. We've had it in our dry bag for 3 days. Let's open it up and try to turn it on. I mean, why not? Anything? Anything? No surprise there. The iPhone 4S does not come on after being washed in the washing machine. I don't know, maybe we'll try to recover it somehow, but I think we're gonna have to call that one a not very surprising fail.